here's a brief tutorial that's going to show you how to make your own Moodle. So from your Alliant Moodle site, just go ahead and scroll down to the link here and click on this. If you forget, it's allianthawk.org/Moodle. It's going to take you to the main page. So scroll down here until you find your name. Just going to pick somebody at random to pick on. Who do I like to pick on? Oh, Jorge. So you click here, and your login is going to be your Alliant email, unless otherwise notified. And your password is going to be Alliant, all small letters. Click OK. And it's going to take you to your course. So this is a brand new course with nothing in it. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn the editing on. Let me move the page around a little bit. Very important, number one, this is what everybody forgets, but you have to turn the editing on. It's just a little tiny button up here. But click on that, and that allows you to start adding material. Okay, so the first section, what we went over in our class was set theory. Wait till it loads up here. So you have it. You can uncheck this box and name it whatever you want. We'll just call it set theory. Spell it right. Zero. We're just going to name our set theory. We're going to cut and paste that into the summary box if you want. So what you did is that you just titled your chapter here. Okay, so let's say you wanted to make a single page about interval notation. You're going to go to add a resource. We're going to add a page, and that's going to add a web page, which you're going to have to title. Let's just call it set theory hyphen interval notation. Okay, that's the name of it. I always copy the name, put the description in there. And then down here, this is where it says page content. This is actually the page that the people are going to see. What I do is I just type in watch the video. And here's a little trick I got is highlight that. This works just like a Microsoft Word editor. And I like my fonts to be big. Okay, so the GGG is basically just a placeholder. We're now going to go to YouTube and find a set theory interval notation video. So please hold. All right, back to YouTube. Click OK. And there are literally hundreds of these videos. What I want students to do, what we want students to do, is to look at the videos and to embed the ones that they like, that they actually used. Okay, so I'm just going to pretend we're going to look at this one.
When you're doing this at home, to make sure that you start with this site. Now here we go. So let me now show you another one. Let's take a look at the following. Suppose, for example, that I take a look at all the x's that are between 1 and 10, and I'm including both of the endpoints. How would I write that in interval notation? Well, let me show you one way of thinking about it. It's just to draw, put on 1, put on 10, and then think what you want. You want all?
All right, let's pretend we're going to use this one. So this is the video that you want to embed. You're going to scroll down to share, click share. You're going to go to embed, click embed. 640 by 480, that's normally the size that I use, and you'll notice that the text is already highlighted. You're going to Control C for copy. Go back to your web page. You see this little HTML button here? Click on that. Go to where our placeholder G's are because it's already centered. Highlight and then Control V, right? Control V as in Victor is pastes it up. You're going to click Update and save and display. You always want to look at it, make sure it looks right. So you're done. So what we would like you to do is to find a couple of good videos for every one of these concepts that we're going to go over. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to talk to me or Professor Reese. But that's it. MGZ. Out. For you see, Jorge got caught in a zombie storm. First these guys. And then these guys. Córrele, Jorge. Córrele, way.